So again, end of the day video here. Dad was working all day on doing stuff. He was busy on both sides here.
I have to get a light.
And so
This is a second cable here for the second battery.
yeah.
The switch is on now. I'm all ready for the second battery.
Okay.
And I made 2 of these for the tank hold down.
Okay, so is that tank all connected now,
That's
or
all connected. And that's where the sending unit goes. Right there.
that little elbow there?
And that elbow. The unit I have is too fat. It won't fit in there, so I have to put it in laying down.
Okay.
It works just as good. And then I welded in this new bumper
Oh yeah, okay.
for the rubber. So now I can polish this up, put the second ski on, and when our rubbers come, we'll put the spring rubbers in here.
Okay. So you said you were doing some wiring on the inside as well, right?
Yep.
So Dad had a few other tasks here to do today, but still progressing, and it's coming along. He I know a couple videos ago we said we're going to do the bogies right away, but he wants to get this taken care of while he still can, and then has to order parts. Then at least he's got something else to go on.
Yeah. Cut these bushings and ground them down for the new track adjusters.
Okay.
They get welded on there.
Yep.
But the way it's set up like this, everything is true before you weld.
Okay. And
That's it.
that's it. Okay. Short video today, guys.